Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry about the shaking. I'm gonna do a little unboxing here. I picked up from eBay. I picked up a 3-piece Craftsman double Stubby double end box wrench set. I paid $40 with shipping, about with tax. Sorry. This was a 3-piece set Craftsman had at one time. Jeff's Garage Adventures just did a review on his. He was sharing it with everybody, and they figure, you know, go on the old eBay and pick myself up a set. They call this double box end stubby set. This isn't standard. This is used 5/8 on one side, 3/4 on the other. It's 12 point. This one is 1/2 inch and 9/16. Not bad. Yeah, I'm a sucker for tools. 5/16 and 7/16 and 3/8. I'm sorry, my cat was in the way. It's Bella. She's trying to grab stuff that's not hers. So if you just saw the paw. So this, like I said, this was a 3-piece set Craftsman had probably about, oh my, a long time ago. I want to say probably around the year 2000, around around 2000. As far as I could find out, as far as I could tell, this only came in a standard set. I can't find anything on the metric set, so I don't know if it ever came in a metric set. But like I said, it's a pretty cool set, and I'm a sucker for tools. So also, we're trying out a new little format here, so if this comes out good, I might do a lot of videos this way in my room, and I could punch out more videos. So like I said, it's offset, a little offset, not bad. These are in very good condition for being used. This one has a little rust on it, but not a big deal. Not a big deal. So I'm very happy with that. When I buy tools, warranties don't really bother me. Like Craftsman, like, yes, these come with a lifetime warranty, but yes, Craftsman is now Chinese stuff, and I've warrantied stuff through the website. I've gotten like the Chinese equivalent. It's garbage, total garbage, what I got back. So it's like I really don't care about, you know, warranties. They don't bother me. So that's the 3-piece Stubby box set from Craftsman. Also, if you noticed, when I opened the package, I used this pink little scraper, razor blade scraper. This thing, I got this from my, I used to work in an auto parts store back in 1999, 2000, 2001. This thing is that old. This thing is probably about 25 years old. And it served me well, and I got pink because nobody's going to steal your pink tools. So this thing has served me well, doesn't owe me a dime, and it's good. And I changed my inspection stickers, when, you know, my registration stickers, scrape off stickers, gaskets, all that good stuff. So that's why it's pink, so nobody will steal it. So alright, so I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing of the Craftsman 3-piece box and stubby wrench set. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.